Hi everyone, I wanted to do a really quick intro for this video because I was kind of all over the place, but I wanted to point out something that I had said at the end just in case you don't make it towards the end. It is never too late to find who you are as a person. I found that I like certain things like the gothic lifestyle, um, the makeup, the music, everything, and that's why I'm considered Mamastylez Gothic beauty now. Um, and that I didn't want to fit a certain beauty community criteria anymore. It's never too late to find who you are. Um, I'm 37. Most people find that they fit a certain lifestyle when they are in their teenagers and their 20s, but I was too busy being in relationships that I shouldn't have been in instead of finding who I was as a person. Thankfully, I had somebody behind the scenes who was patient enough with me. So if you're watching this and this makes you want to watch the rest of the video, I am so sorry for the being all over the place. This is just part of who I am. I can't help it. This is what happens when I don't have a script. But I guess if I had a script, I wouldn't be who I am, right? Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to Mamastylez Gothic Beauty here on YouTube. I am doing this intro while filming just like some eyeshadow look. I had already did my blush. I was trying to do this intro and I was just all over the place. So I'm going to talk about some stuff this channel is going to be about. This channel is basically newer for me because I was doing YouTube a couple of years back, but I was doing YouTube following stuff what other people were doing. I'm not doing that no more because that's not me. That's not who I want to be. I am more of a gothic styled type of person. I like, the gothic beauty. I like the gothic music. I just want to do things, that fit me, not what everybody else is doing. And I want to be part of a beauty community that doesn't have a lot of drama surrounding it, because the other beauty community or whatever, it's just like too much stuff going on with that. And I just want to follow something that marches to the beat of my own drums, not sitting there and going, let's do this halo eye or whatever, this cut crease, and it doesn't suit me. But I will be doing like colorful makeups on this channel. There was a TikToker that is a goth. Her name is Crystal. I forgot her TikTok channel because I'm also on TikTok as Mamastylez Goth Beauty, and Clapper as the same. And I was following, and I'm still following her, and she does like colorful, like a green gothic makeup look or a yellow gothic makeup look. She says you can incorporate color into your routine as a goth. It doesn't always have to be, as long as you incorporate black in there. And that's what I kind of want to do. I want to kind of like do some Pinterest makeup looks that I'm finding on Pinterest. Like I wanted to do a Beetlejuice look and stuff. And I don't want to be one of those channels that like test out makeup and pushes products on you. I also want to incorporate pan that palette, because as a makeup community type of thing, we really need to look at our makeup waste. How much makeup we waste as a community. Like, it's wasteful. So I'm going into this shade called Smoke. You can see that it has a bit of a dip in it. But yeah, we are so wasteful. Like, the whole, as a community, we, whereas, the bigger channels, as I see that they get more stuff and they buy stuff to test things out, or they get stuff in PR. Some of them honestly donate the makeup, but then some of them do these big, huge decluttering videos, which I'm guilty of. I have decluttered, and I'm probably going to declutter again. But I don't want to be one of those people who buy makeup just for the sake of reviewing it and then end up not liking something and then being wasteful, if you know what I mean. Um, Now, if I buy something and I don't like it, then yeah, I'm going to speak up about it. But I'm not going to do it just to do it because that's wasteful. It's wasteful of my money. It's wasteful of product, and it's just stuff getting thrown out, going into the landfill, and I'm not for that. If you know what I mean, it's just mm-mm, not anymore. Especially if those videos, like you're doing it just to follow along with everybody else doing. You're wasting your own money and you're wasting, you know, if you know what I mean. And this is another part. I don't like the awkward trying to talk to everybody type of thing. It just feels weird. I've always felt that way. I am going to, and yes, this is the Jeffree Star palette, but I depotted it a while ago. Um, yeah, and on this channel, I'm not going to be doing any bashing of certain people. I'm not going to really follow along with that because you know what? That's just wrong. Let's be better you know, than those people that do that. Like I said, drama free. Just here for the makeup or in general. Um, I do mindful meditation Mondays on TikTok. I will be bringing that on here. That it focuses on mental health, and I do stuff like that. Like there's a card that I pulled out. Let's see, let me pull it out. That says mindfulness is a way of befriending ourselves and our experiences. I took that as like we need to be nice to ourselves. Not everything is a competition. You don't have to have things by a certain age. And I feel like because, I was hard on myself, still am. I like, oh, I need to have this and this and this and that. Well, this channel is not going to be about that anymore. If I don't meet a certain criteria, like if I don't meet a certain subscriber number, you know what? Then whatever. It's just going to be a channel that I do whatever on, and my makeup's kind of messing up. That's okay. We'll we'll fix that. That's probably because I'm not being mindful of what I'm doing. It's just getting messy. I feel like one eye always gets more rounded off and one eye gets more squared off. If you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and this color switch this one um, brush. Go ahead and just grab a red and put it in the certain corner of my eye. I'm not gonna really do a whole cut crease type of ordeal. I'm just packing it on. So I am married, and I do have a 7-year-old son with my husband. Um, my husband, even though I joke with him, he's a golden retriever husband. Even though he says he's not, he sees as he's like, I'm not a golden retriever husband, uh, or whatever. He is more into steampunk pirate theme. So our room is kind of a gothic pirate theme going on, which I kind of feel like, pirate, theme and gothic kind of go hand in hand with each other. Um, as well as other genres, because when I was in my other channels, I was more pinup-y and rockabilly, and you can actually take pinup and rockabilly and goth that up, which I'm probably going to start doing in a little while. I'm going to take a black and put it on my under eye. I'll probably start incorporating more like if I have dresses that are like pinup-y, I'll probably do more of like a gothic pinup makeup look. And if you guys are watching this, sorry for the awkwardness and everything. I'm going to go ahead and do my liner and my mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, I am back. I wanted to end this little video by saying it is never too late to discover who you are, to finally figure where you kind of fit in, and know as human beings we are forever evolving, trying to find who we are. And I know that I was told in my 20s I needed to, instead of being in relationships, I needed to find who I was as a person, and I really didn't listen. My family's watching this, yeah. And thankfully I am with a person who was patient um, with me and just stepped back and let me figure out who I was and let me go through the motions. And that's when I finally discovered this is who I am as a person. I like the dark, the vampy, the gothic stuff. I like, you know how it goes. And most people normally start trying to find who they are as a teenager or as in their 20s. Me, I found a little later. Um, so yeah. Other than that, I will see you guys all next time. Bye.